Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error trying to run an application on Windows where it says that this file came from another computer and might be blocked. And if you're trying to open up this file in Windows, this tutorial will be for you. If you are positive the file is safe and you don't want to be getting this blocked notification, all you have to do is just right click on the file itself, select Properties, and then underneath security where it says this file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer, uncheck the unblock and then select apply and OK. Just be aware of the security risk that you might be taking by doing that. Generally speaking, I don't see a huge deal of it, but you never know, especially downloading stuff on the internet. But if you know the file is safe, like you transferred from another computer or something, I don't really know what to say. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.